So Sneha and Kinjal, welcome to the show, and tell me a little bit about the bags that you have created, how it all happened, and what are you doing with them?
So hi, I'm Sneha and she's Kinjal, and we have a company called Kid O2 Yoga Bags, which basically we have created this bag because of the need to go walk or bike to yoga, where we didn't find any double strap bag. That's what exactly we need to do, is walk to yoga, bike to yoga, hike to yoga, where we have created a bag where we have a double strap which balances the weight on both the shoulders. It can take up to 10 mm max, from 3 mm to 10 mm max. The block bag has a space for a block, a zipper for your valuables, all your valuables, a pocket for your bottle, a mat opener which comes up from the top, and easily you can open up your mat from inside, and when you wear it, it's damn easy. Just hop it off like a backpack and go hands free. So everything goes in one. The second style that we have is
basic style, which is without the block. It's got a bottom pocket and the zipper pocket. It's for people who don't want to carry a lot of things and just go minimalist. But I'll tell you the interesting story about how this whole thing came up. So she is SD, is a yin yoga teacher, and I'm a student. And I was looking out for a bag in the market which was comfortable enough to carry it to her class while I was cycling to her class. There was on Amazon.com, .in, Flipkart, Yahoo, everywhere, nothing which was so comfortable. So I just decided one fine day, probably I'll just take an old pair of pants, I cut it open, I sew it myself. I made 3 pockets inside, one for my mobile, one for my wallet, one for my bottle, and I made 2 straps exactly of my torso length. I took the track pant Nada and made it the drawstring of my bag, and I was happily cycling comfortably in a balanced way to my yoga class. And she's a fashion designer by profession earlier, so I just asked her, why don't you bring it out to the public, because there is a need in the market, there is nothing which is so comfortable. So then we decided to get together, and this is how Skid SD and Key, Skid O2 yoga bags came out. Just to explain you our logo, why is it O2? The meaning, yoga is all about breath. So the O is an incomplete brush stroke, which is actually meaning mindfulness in Zen, and the 2 has a symbol of infinity to it.
Wow.
So there's a lot of thought behind our manufacturing.
So tell us 3 yoga tips which you as a teacher or you as a student people should know about. I mean, the yoga lifestyle. 3 tips.
So firstly, yoga is all to lose the weight from the mind and not from the body. You don't go to yoga to say I want to become thin. Try to lose the weight in your mind. It's more of the internal body. So yoga is more of a workout inside of the body and not the outside. So try to go mind free, try to meditate. Try to hear what the instructor is trying to tell you and just be there. Let go of everything for a 1 hour or 1.5 hours of your yoga class. Surrender yourself to the instructor. That's the best way to get involved. Be away from all your gadgets during that time and enjoy it that time.
Great. Thank you.
Just take it around. These are the colors for our basic styles. All these are the basic styles that we have. And these are the block styles that we have, which are also available on Amazon.in, and you can also contact us on our Instagram ID is skid.o2yogabags.
Great.